Okay, starting recording. Anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are with Saph from Animalia SMP. Yay. And she has built something for me. Saph, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Perfect. Okay, could you switch it to day?
Sure, I'll switch it today.
Cause it's, wait, can you make my OP so I can just switch it to day myself?
I tried, it's not working.
Oh, you just go into where the thing is, and then you go.
Yeah, I have to turn that on. Oh, sorry, I forgot to turn on that.
Donkey. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You doing burbs?
You're supposed to look like a bird.
Yes.
But of course, I forgot to put an eye.
Yeah. It looks like a. It looks like a. It looks like a egg.
Sorry, let's put the eyes on. Maybe it'll look more like a bird once I put the eyes on.
Let's do a 360. Hold on.
Look at this.
Okay, let's do a 360. Shift. Let's do a 360 of it. Whee!
So what I did, I put chicken and I put
There's the
chickens and I
top.
put parrots.
Noise.